15. Mind-boosting habits for a successful life. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we're going to dive into the secret habits that can transform your life, elevate your productivity, and pave the way to success. After all, every billionaire from Bill Gates to Jeff Bezos shares the same 24 hours a day. It's all about how you make the most of that time and invest it in your dreams. So if you're ready to unleash your full potential and craft a life of achievement, stay tuned for these 15 mind-boosting habits. But before we get into it, if you're not already part of our tribe, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and ring that notification bell. You don't want to miss out on the weekly wisdom we drop here. All right, let's dive in. Habit number 1, master the checklist. The to-do list is your North Star, guiding you through the chaos of responsibilities. It's not just about jotting down tasks, it's about taking control of your day before it takes control of you. The power lies in the ritual of crafting your list the night before. By doing so, you're not just creating a roadmap for the next day, you're mentally preparing yourself for the challenges ahead. As you wake up to a world of uncertainty, your to-do list becomes a beacon, offering a sense of direction. It's not about the quantity of tasks, but the quality. 3 major tasks and a few minor ones. It's a strategic approach. It ensures that you're not spreading yourself too thin, focusing on the essentials and leaving room for excellence. Habit number 2, keep your to-do list lean. In a world where information overload is the norm, the ability to filter and prioritize is a superpower. Limiting your to-do list isn't about restriction, it's about strategic allocation of your most valuable asset, time. 3 major tasks, these are your heavy hitters. The tasks that move the needle, create impact, and align with your overarching goals. Accompanied by a handful of minor tasks, these smaller items act as the scaffolding, supporting the structure of your day. Quality over quantity is the mantra. By adopting this approach, you're not just managing your time, you're investing it where it matters the most. Habit number 3, ditch multitasking. Multitasking, the supposed badge of honor for the modern era. Yet, in the realm of productivity, it's a deceptive muse leading you astray. Multitasking fractures your focus, leaving you with a trail of unfinished tasks and a drained intellect. The science is clear. Your brain isn't wired for seamless task switching. It's a bottleneck, reducing your efficiency by up to 40%. The antidote? Single tasking. Dive deep into one task, give it your undivided attention, and watch the magic unfold. Your productivity skyrockets, and the clarity of thought that follows is unparalleled. It's not just about getting things done, it's about doing them exceptionally well. Habit number 4, remove all distractions. In a world buzzing with notifications, emails, and social media alerts, silence becomes a rare commodity. Enter the do not disturb mode, a fortress protecting your focus. But it's not just about toggling a switch, it's a mindset. It's a conscious decision to reclaim your time and shield your attention from the incessant demands of the digital world. Turning off notifications isn't a retreat, it's a strategic advance. It's a commitment to being present in the task at hand, undisturbed by the constant chatter of the virtual realm. Communicate your boundaries to those around you, and let your work speak louder than the notifications ever could. Habit number 5, command your workspace. Your workspace is more than a desk and a chair. It's your arena for productivity. The concept goes beyond mere organization. It's about creating an environment that fosters focus and inspiration. Picture this, a clutter-free zone where everything has its place. No more hunting for misplaced pens or fumbling through disorganized stacks of papers. An organized workspace isn't just visually appealing, it's a catalyst for efficiency. Your surroundings shape your mindset, and a well-organized workspace is the canvas for your productivity masterpiece. Habit number 6, time is your currency. Time, the great equalizer. In the pursuit of productivity, understanding how you spend this invaluable currency is non-negotiable. Enter the time audit, an introspective journey into the chronicles of your day. Clocking in and out isn't just about tracking hours, it's about unraveling the story of your productivity. By identifying time sinks, those subtle thieves of productivity, you're not just trimming the fat, you're sculpting a lean, mean routine. It's not about being a slave to the clock, it's about being the master of your time. The time audit is your compass, guiding you towards a more efficient, intentional use of every ticking second. Habit number 7, embrace tech. In the era of smartphones and digital innovation, your tech arsenal isn't just a collection of gadgets, it's your secret society of productivity tools. From apps that track and manage your time to reminders that nudge you toward your goals, technology isn't just a companion, it's an ally in the battle for efficiency. Your to-do list isn't confined to a piece of paper. It's on your phone, your desktop, a constant reminder that your tasks are just a tap away. The key is integration. Let technology seamlessly weave into your life, ensuring that every digital tool serves a purpose to elevate your productivity game. Habit number 8, SMART goals only. Goals without a plan are nothing more than wishful thinking. Enter SMART goals, a structured framework that transforms aspirations into actionable, trackable missions. Specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. These aren't just adjectives, they're the pillars holding your goals upright. Specificity breeds clarity, measurability ensures progress tracking, attainability prevents frustration, realism anchors ambition, and time-bound structures your journey. It's not about setting vague intentions, it's about crafting a roadmap for success, one that navigates the complexities of your ambitions with precision. Habit number 9, build your dream team. In the solo journey of life, the company you keep becomes a defining factor. For the people navigating the complexities of their mid-20s and beyond, the dream team isn't just a luxury, it's a strategic advantage. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, hustlers, visionaries, go-getters, isn't just about camaraderie, it's a force multiplier. Working alongside individuals who share your mindset and ambitions transcends the professional realm. It becomes a symphony of inspiration, a collaborative effort to elevate each other's game. The dream team isn't a passive circle of acquaintances, it's an active network of motivation, idea exchange, and collective growth. Habit number 10, DIY education. In the relentless pursuit of self-improvement, the concept of DIY education emerges as a game changer. An hour a day, nothing more than a fractional slice of your 24-hour pie. Compounded over time, this modest commitment transforms into a mastery marathon. Imagine this: dedicating 1 hour daily to independent study, whether through reading, online courses, or skill development. It's not just about the content, it's about the consistency, the compound effect, a principle echoing the sentiment that small, consistent efforts amass into monumental achievements. Mastery isn't reserved for the exclusive few, it's a journey accessible to those who understand the power of incremental progress. Habit number 11, learn to say no. In a world of perpetual requests and demands, the ability to say no becomes a strategic weapon. It's not about adopting an adversarial stance, but about safeguarding your time and priorities. Polite refusal isn't a rejection. It's a prioritization of your objectives. For the people navigating the dynamic landscape of their mid-20s and beyond, saying no isn't a sign of arrogance, but an acknowledgement of finite resources. Helping others is a noble pursuit, but ensuring your own mission is accomplished first is a mark of strategic prowess. It's not a dismissal of collaboration, but a recognition that true assistance comes from a position of strength. Habit number 12, be the captain of your ship. In a world bombarding you with emails, calls, and external demands, the imperative to be the captain of your own ship becomes non-negotiable. Planning ahead, setting the course, and steering through the waters of your schedule, it's a proactive stance in a reactive world. Your time isn't a commodity to be auctioned off to the highest bidder. It's a resource to be wielded strategically. Taking charge of your schedule isn't an act of isolation, but an assertion of agency. By creating a plan and sticking to it, you're not just avoiding the pitfalls of reactive living. You're ensuring that your journey is intentional, purposeful, and aligned with your objectives. Habit number 13, avoid meeting madness. Meetings, the double-edged sword of professional life. While collaboration is essential, unproductive meetings become a drain on your most precious resource, time. The savvy people in their mid-20s and beyond understand this. They aren't anti-meeting, but they are anti-time wasting. Avoiding the black hole of unproductive meetings isn't a proclamation of disdain, but a strategic move. Proposing efficient alternatives, whether through messaging groups or concise agendas, is a demonstration of a commitment to productivity. Channeling the spirit of Bill Gates, who famously adhered to 3-minute meetings. It's a recognition that time spent in collaboration should be purposeful and results-driven. Habit number 14, 80-20 rule. In the tapestry of tasks that make up your day, not all threads are equal. The Pareto principle, encapsulated in the 80-20 rule, becomes your guiding philosophy. It asserts that 80% of your results emanate from 20% of your efforts. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Identifying the vital few activities that yield the majority of your results is a transformative mindset. It's a departure from the notion that busyness equates to productivity. By focusing on the critical 20%, you're not just trimming the excess, you're channeling your energy where it holds the most potential. Habit number 15, self-care is power. In the relentless pursuit of productivity, the often overlooked cornerstone is self-care. For the people navigating the intricate landscape of their mid-20s and beyond, The equation isn't just about tasks and deadlines. It's about holistic well-being. Going to the gym, mindful eating, and ensuring adequate sleep aren't indulgences. They're non-negotiable components of peak performance. Living a balanced life isn't a luxury. It's a strategic imperative. Breaks from work aren't just moments of leisure. They're opportunities for rejuvenation. A healthy, positive attitude isn't a byproduct of success. It's a precursor. For the people committed to sustained productivity, self-care isn't an afterthought. It's an integral part of the equation. All right, guys, you've delved into the intricacies of the first 15 habits, each a facet of the comprehensive framework for peak productivity. But wait, the journey doesn't end here. As you navigate the labyrinth of your daily life, remember that mastery is a continuous endeavor. Share your thoughts below, and let's continue this dialogue. As a bonus for those who've stuck around, here's a sneak peek into the next frontier of productivity. Habit number 16, master your mind with meditation. In the realm of productivity, the mind is both your greatest asset and your most formidable adversary. Enter meditation, a practice often associated with serene monks but equally relevant for the dynamic people of the modern world. It's not about escapism, it's about mastery. Picture this: a few minutes each day devoted to standing still, focusing on your breath and clearing the mental clutter. Studies affirm that as little as 5 minutes a day for 2 weeks can elevate your concentration and provide a shield against work-related stress. Meditation isn't a departure from the battlefield of productivity. It's a strategic move to sharpen your mental sword. Give it a shot, 5 minutes daily, and witness the transformative power of a calm, focused mind. Your productivity levels will thank you. And that's a wrap for today's journey into the mind of a genius. Drop a comment below and let us know which habit you're going to focus on. If this video rocked your socks off, explore more of our habit-building content and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for joining us on this adventure of self-discovery. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next video.